This research was conducted in order to regulate cancer proliferation through siRNA technology. Recent studies have proposed the existence of an extraordinary small subpopulation of cancer cells, which act as tumor instigating cells or cancer stem cells. There are three types of genes that can possibly cause cancer: tumor suppressor genes, oncogenes, and DNA mismatch repair genes. siRNA refers to a small interfering or short interfering RNA, which requires transfection of cells using a lipid-based transfection reagent. This lipid-based transfection causes the nucleic acids to enter into the mammalian cell, in this case the lung cancer cell. This technology is also useful for a transient knockdown, which refers to the change in gene expression without the modification of a chromosomal DNA. The whole purpose of this experiment is to search the excessively appearing gene in a cell and then knocking down the gene to observe if the knockdown gene would result in a regulation of proliferation of cancer cells under normal conditions and when used along with doxorubicin, an anti-cancer drug. We found out that OTEB1 is highly expressed in lung cancer cell line H358 compared to the normal lung cell line WI38. siRNA specific to OTEB1 decreased cell proliferation in H358 cell. In addition, depletion of OTEB1 by siRNA increased the effect of anti-cancer reagent doxorubicin. Some materials and methods used were cell culturing by observing the WI38 and H358, counting these cells, Western blotting by making a gel, loading the cell onto the gel, and transferring the cell, proliferation assay by using the microplate reader after the transfection of siRNA into the cell, and the treatment of doxorubicin. The result turned out that OTEB1 is the gene only occurring in this cancer cell and not the normal cell, and when the two siRNA sequences were used in order to test its effectiveness of knockdown, it showed the significant decrease in the proliferation as shown by the Western blotting and proliferation curves. Also, when tested with doxorubicin, the effectiveness of siRNA in regulating cancer cells increased.